So then the next step is if you were going to put it together. Now, if we worked with what was your preferred direction of the Airwrap, which was counterclockwise. So I'll show you back view so you can see the pattern of entry into the stall chaser. You put the whole thing together. You do the Airwrap, I'll do it a slight little angle. You do the Airwrap, the Travolta, and then from the Travolta, you're going to enter your stall chase. So if I showed you front view, but mirroring you, so you did it as I did it, it would be, I think this works. This, yes, this direction of Airwrap with the Jedi followed by the entrance into the stall chase. So this direction of Airwrap, stall, and then stall chase. This direction of Airwrap, and stall chase. That was a terrible entry into my stall chase. Airwrap. And then you could go back into it when you do the right stall coming up and the left one's down here. You could go immediately back into the Airwrap if you wanted to. Oops, sorry, my right, so your left. The one on this side. The one on this side. Sorry. Sorry. My right, your left. Yeah, that one. Just like, now that is a trick, figuring out, okay, I'm here, this one's drop stalled. I pull this, how do I get my hands to do what I want? So I'm positioned properly so that I can tangle the way I want to tangle. For me, I find that if I pull the hand that's doing the stall down a little bit lower and then bring this one up higher, it works out really well because this one's doing the upward energy and this one's doing the downward energy. So I can drag this up and then start the circle when my other hand gets to the point I need it to get to in order to get into it. So I'm up here and then I think that's a fantastic infinite combination as well, where you're doing the Jedi to the Travolta, the Airwrap to the Travolta in both directions. I think it's a really great drill, and I think it's a really great combo. I think it's aesthetically pleasing. It is a little geeky, and not everybody can really see that you're tangling the string, but if you do it enough times consecutively, I think people can notice. But only sometimes. Not everybody gets it. It's a worthy investment of time, I think, because it's just super sexy. It's poi geeky and sexy, not like, I mean, but those are cool moves. I had the opportunity to perform in front of people who had not really seen a lot of fire dancing for my work, my day job thing I'm doing, and it was fascinating because I'm so jaded because I've been performing for 25 years or whatever. I forgot how impressive upstalls are when you first see them, or how impressive they can be. And that was actually one of the places I got the most woos, was the upstalls. It's very cute. It just reminds you like, oh, the old school things from 15, 17, 20 years ago. They're still classic. Yeah, well, they're also physicists, so they may have appreciated it from a different perspective than other people normally would, because they watched me tangle them so that they know it's not a stick. Sometimes people think it's a stick. They're like, how do you get it so straight? I've had people say that. That's one of the reasons I think doing the contrast of a spiral against upstalls is exquisite, because nope, this is really a thing that will flop around your hand. Oh, but look, straight. Okay, that was not a straight line. Oh, look, straight lines. I think there's a lot of beautiful contrast in that.